Hey Nani, what's for lunch?
I'm making nice potato sabzi for you.
Not potatoes again.
Arey, this is not potatoes. This is potatoes and peanuts. It's a potato peanut sabzi, which is very delicious. Come, let's get started. Adding 1 tablespoon of ghee. You can add oil, you can add ghee. Choice is yours. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Waiting for it to brown a little. 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. A little bit of asafoetida. Green chillies too, diced. 1 tablespoon ginger diced. Now we add in the boiled potatoes. These are 4 potatoes that I have taken. We toss it nicely. We add in 1 level teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. Now we add in peanuts, which I have just ground in the mixer, but I have ground it very coarsely. We just add in half a tomato, cut it chunky. We add in dhania powder, about 2 teaspoons. We add in leaves of moringa, which is really very nice and healthy. Coriander leaves. Toss it nicely. You don't have to cut the moringa leaves, you have to just add the leaves as it is, because if you cut them, they go a little bitter. So this is a nice way of adding moringa to your potatoes. Actually, moringa can be added to anything and everything. I will switch off the gas now and then squeeze in half a lemon. Mix it nicely. Adding in some more coriander, and we are done with our aloo peanut sabzi.
These potatoes look so nice.
Yes, they are really yummy. This is a very nice potato peanut sabzi. Please have it with parathas or chapatis and enjoy it. Till next time, goodbye.